السلام عليكم، حياكم الله في جولة اليوم.
Hey, I just wanted to warn you from one man to another that you probably don't want to use the bathroom here at the mall. There's no toilet paper at all. Don't make the mistake I made, okay? You have a good day, sir. You have a good day.
Okay, I'm going to give my dog an egg. Theoretically, she will understand that she is supposed to take care of it.
هذا البنطال مخصص لحقين الدبابات.
Nice! It's your new house. Come on, let's see. Do you like the... Oh!
Sir, I'm gonna need to use my ID. Oh, never mind.
هذا همستر عجوز. شوفوا هذا الفيل في تايلاند قاعد ياخذ الطعام من الشاحنة. الكلب ساعدها تقوم. مسكين حسب بتهوشوا من جد.
She's helping me with laundry tonight. This is what she gets for acting up and peeing the bed like she's a kid.
هذا الشلال يصنع كرات ثلجية.
Ice balls. They just keep coming.
أي نوع من السكيت بورد هذا؟
I could literally drive without headlights and be fine. It is that bright.
وبس والله هذا اللي كان عندنا اليوم. لا تنسى اللايك والاشتراك. في أمان الله.